Well, hello and welcome back once again to the Barefoot Skinner channel. My name is Darin and I'm coming to you from the front porch of the At Creek's Bend taxidermy shop. Today I've got to work on a bear base for a walking bear. He's got one front leg up, standing on the other front leg, lifting the back leg up here, standing on this one. I've got a reference point of how high up the pad is from here and here. And it's setting flush here. So I'm going to put some temporary boards in here to limit my height of some driftwood that the client has brought me. And I'm going to see if I can incorporate that driftwood in this base and build it from there. Well, I apologize for the gap in the video. What you missed out was a bunch of sawing and finagling around, and I got this piece of driftwood brought up to the bottom of this board, which is the reference point for the bottom of the pad. So I've got it secured here. I've got it secured over here where the other pad is going to be sitting on the board here. So now I just got to put some cross braces in here and drill the holes for the all threads, and then make sure this is secure. Then I can take these temporary supports out of here and set the bear on here and do a trial fit. So both of my batteries are dead. I'm recharging them, so I'm going to recharge a little bit myself. I promise I will be right back. I'm going to go ahead and lop this stick off here because this will be right up in the bear's belly, so I can't have it there. And I'll just have to kind of blend in that area, make it look natural. And that front foot goes in that hole in the log, but you'll have to pick him up higher than the log. And my back foot will go in the hole first. Okay, let me...
back.
There we go. Should go all the way down on everything.